Just will, metal, and faith. This is the story of the engineer who built a tank from scrap. The desert was endless, a sea of burning sand and twisted steel. The battle near Tobruk had ended hours ago, but the smell of oil and smoke still hung in the air. Sunlight flickered off broken armor plates. A once-proud panzer division was now nothing but wreckage scattered across dunes. Among the survivors were 12 men, exhausted, thirsty, and stranded. Their supply truck burned to ash. Their radio antenna melted, and in the distance, enemy patrols moved closer each hour. For 2 days, they survived under a shredded tarp, hiding from aircrafts that circled like hawks. Their water ran low, the sands scorched through boots, and every night they heard engines in the dark, the enemy sweeping for survivors. Adam worked through the silence, scavenging through 3 dead tanks, one with a working cannon, another with intact treads, and a third with a barely functioning engine. He rebuilt the treads, using spare links tied with wire and prayer. The men took shelter behind the tank skeleton, clutching their rifles. Adam stayed outside, tightening bolts and shielding the engine with his own body. When the storm passed, everything was buried, except the shape of the new machine. They called it Frankenstein. But Adam smiled. No time left to test, no time to plan. Captain Weber ordered everyone aboard. T-Think Mobet, rough, uneven, shaking, but alive. It crawled through dunes, crushing the silence beneath its tracks. The cannon fired once. Perfectly. A distant patrol scattered, thinking an entire division had survived. Because war breaks enough things. Let stories build something instead. In the history of war, Courage is not always found on the battlefield. Sometimes it's in the hands that repair what others abandon. And long after the guns went silent,